Hello, everybody. My name is Latita, and this is my channel on wellness, fashion, vlogs, and everything that I want to talk about, period. And today we will be talking about okra water and the hype of okra water. Let me fix this. Ugh, because it was getting on my nerves a little bit. We're talking about the hype of okra water. I want you to stick around because my key gem will be at the end of this video, and I will tell you the God honest truth. So the first thing that people always ask me is, what does it taste like? Ew, that look nasty. Is it slimy? And I'm like, yes, it's slimy, and it tastes like whatever fruit you put in it. So whatever fruit you put with your okra and your water is what the water will taste like. Mostly I put the okra, I put bottled water, and I put lemons. That's the main ingredients, any of them that I do. And I also put cucumbers in mine too. But like that's the main ingredients. You really can add whatever you want to add. I just let it sit overnight, and the next morning it's ready to drink. More beneficial when you drink it in the morning and let that be the first thing that touches your belly. I sometimes put cucumbers in mine, so mine tastes refreshing, like a cucumbery, lemony kind of taste, and it tastes good. Like it's very refreshing. As I said, it's clear. This is the okra. I ate the other part, guys. But this is it. It normally has a plant that they call the butt that's at the end. You wash it with warm water, and I rub mine when I wash it, and then you let it air dry. And I normally don't use the frozen ones. A lot of people use the frozen ones, and that's what they want to do. I don't use the frozen ones, and I don't freeze mine because I feel like when you freeze something, I feel like it can take some of the nutrients out of it. That's just me, my opinion, my body. This is the head, and you cut the head off, you cut the butt off, and you chop it into slices, and this is what it looks like inside. It has seeds. If you want to hear what it sounds like. And the more you chew, the more slime will be made. So when I eat mine, I don't chew. I chew it up well enough to be
Have you ever been swallowed up?
swallowed. Because if you think you're going to sit here and chew and chew and chew, you're going to make more slime, and then it's going to probably gross you out if you don't like slimy stuff. So that's what it sounds like. It's like a string bean or something. Like it tastes like a vegetable or a fruit that's bitter a little bit. I normally eat like one or two just plain like this. And then I drink a cup of the okra water that I made. I store mine in mason jars, but you can store yours however you want. When I make the gallons, they're in like the gallon jar, the plastic gallon container. This is the consistency, and I just drank probably about this much a day, and I do the one or two. That's what I do. You can do whatever you want. You can start your journey however you want. You can just start yours by eating one or two. But what I always tell my customers or people that buy it from me is, or people that ask me on social media, and I will put my social medias because I have videos about okra water on my social media platforms. What I tell people to take from this experience is, no matter if you're looking for a certain benefit of it, if that doesn't happen for you, it's still healthy. It's still going to be healthy for you. It's still going to benefit you in some way. So if you don't take anything else, just take that away from it, that it will benefit you in some type of way. It might not benefit you how it benefits me or how it benefits your friend or whatever, but it will benefit you in a way because it is healthier. I'm gonna put recipes down below. You could put seasonings, eat it like a little salad, add other fruits and vegetables with it as a little salad. Some people fry it. I've tasted it fried, but I feel like once you fry it, like I said, the benefits of it diminish once it is fried. Another benefit to it is gut health. It's very good for your gut health. It helps put a coating on your intestines and your insides that helps passes through waste. It's good detoxification. ladies, if you're pregnant, you're birthing a baby soon, or you're thinking about getting pregnant, it's very healthy for you because, like I said, it helps with hydration and it has a coating like a snail effect. I call it the snail effect, where you're going to leave slime everywhere. It's very good for passing. So that might help you out. I'm not sure about that because I didn't use it during my birth. I have researched and I saw where a lot of women were saying that it really helped them pass the baby. So that's a good tip, good benefit. It helps regulate blood sugar. So people with diabetes or you have health concerns, this will really be good for you and beneficial to you. That could really help change your life, change your lifestyle, change your mind about using natural things to help heal yourself. So I feel like that would be a good alternative to taking medicines and stuff that doctors give you. You could heal yourself. And the power of self-healing is is big. I'm gonna stop the video right here so that I can slide in a clip to show you the consistency of the okra water. So make sure you come back so that you can get the tea. Okay? Roll that clip. Okay, I'm back. So another benefit to drinking the okra water, excuse me, I was parched. Strap, come on now, stay up now. The biggest and the main benefit for me, this is for me, and I always say different strokes for different folks. This is mine. I know that one of my main takeaways from this was it does help you with body odor. So, like, if you're a female and you sweat a lot, body odor, because people try to go with chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is greeny leafy vegetables and fruits, and they take it and they put it in some type of machine or juicer, and all of the nutrients from those different greens and put it together, call it chlorophyll, put some kind of peppermints in it or whatever. And I've tried that, and it's costly, and you have to make sure you do it the same way you doing with this. But I feel like with the okra water, it's easy. Like, it's easier. Like, you're not having to hunt it down, because I know with chlorophyll sometimes you can't find it. So it's an easier alternative to that. And if you want to double your dose, do chlorophyll and do okra water, or do chlorophyll and eat okra. It ain't gonna do nothing but help you. Go to the bathroom. It really doesn't have a smell. Cause I know a lot of people like, yeah, right, yo gonna smell like something. Like, no, not when you are pure and clean inside, or you're working on purifying and clearing and detoxing yourself. So it really does help with that. And I can say from experience, it really does work with that. It really does help with body odor. It really does help with not having to wear deodorant. Like, it really works with those areas for me. And that's a plus. So, you ready, females? Fellas, I'm sorry. But females, come in. Okay. Jim. You ready? All right, I'm gonna stop stalling. That it has helped for me is lubrication, hydration, slippery slopes, wet and wild emerald point. It really does. When I tell you that something's in my ladies, all the ladies. So, consuming okra on a day-to-day basis, okra water or okra, it makes the slopes slippery. Like I said, it's like a snail effect. If you don't want him outside of your house when you're not home, waiting for you to get home, If you don't want him outside of your window in a tree, eating an ice cream sandwich, calling your name, if you don't want him dropping by your job, you might not want this. You might not want to do this. You might not want those kind of issues, because it's gonna change up everything. When I tell you, ladies, that if you drink or you don't drink a lot of water, you don't drink coconut water, you don't drink pineapple juice, you don't drink a lot. And I'm like that. I don't drink a lot of water. I don't drink a lot of anything. So when you do, you want to make sure that you drink or eat something that's going to help with your hydration. When I tell you, even if you drink and you and your husband go out, and make sure you wear a panty liner, because it's going to be like that for some people. It's going to be a slippery slope. You're going to be a walking snail. And it's going to take you by surprise, because you're going to be like, I know not. Yes, you know. This stuff right here, y'all, it's going to change you. It's going to change your hydration. It's going to change your balance. And it's going to make it so much satisfying for you. Because if you have a person that's long-winded when it comes to that kind of stuff, and they keep going and going and going, like the Energizer Bunny, you're going to be able to keep up. Because I'm not saying it's going to give you the same type of energy, but it's going to create a space for you to be able to take that, to take in what they're dishing out. Like, it's going to make you very receptive to what they're dishing out. So, like I said, the more you chew, the slimier it gets. The same thing. The more they chew, the slimier it gets. And it's gonna make it more satisfying for you, because it's nothing worse than drying out. So, and then it tears you up. So, this will be very beneficial to you. It will be very hydrating to you. It will help keep you hydrated. It will help keep you on the go. So, if nothing else, some people, it will really help you in that department. And some people might not want to be like that, and that's cool too. But even if you don't want to be a slippery slope or a dripping snail, it's still beneficial to you, because it can help you in other areas in your life. Like, it could really make you a more healthier person. So that's my video. I hope you guys enjoyed the tea talk, and I hope you guys start drinking okra water. If you're local to me, I do sell okra water made in my special way. And go to my social medias, look at some of my videos. It's like that. Like, it's the hype. Like, they didn't lie to you. They was telling you the truth. We not playing out here. Be a snail. Come on over to this side. Come on and be a snail. And enjoy the rest of your days, guys. And make this year count. If you are not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe if you want more informational videos like this one. And with that said,